Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In today's tutorial, we will be discussing how to write an email using Chatgpt, a powerful language model that can assist you in crafting effective and compelling emails. Step 1. Determine the purpose and audience of your email before you begin writing your email. It's important to know why you're sending it and who will be reading it. Are you following up with a client or reaching out to a potential collaborator? Make sure you have a clear understanding of your goals and target audience. For example, suppose you are writing an email to a potential employer to inquire about job openings. Your purpose is to express your interest in working for the company and request information about available positions. Your audience is the hiring manager or HR representative responsible for recruiting new employees. Step 2. Choose an appropriate tone and style. The tone and style of your emails should match the purpose and audience of your message. Are you trying to convey a formal or informal tone? Should your writing be persuasive or informative? Make sure your language aligns with your goals and audience. Example: for a job inquiry email, a professional and courteous tone is appropriate. Use formal language and avoid using slang or overly casual expressions. Step 3. Compose your email with ChatGPT assistance. Now that you have determined your purpose and audience and chosen an appropriate tone and style, it's time to start composing your email with Chatgpt assistance. Chatgpt can help you with suggestions for opening and closing lines, providing examples of relevant language, and even help you avoid common mistakes such as typos and grammatical errors. Example: Dear hiring manager, for example, I hope this email finds you well. I'm reaching out to inquire about potential job openings at a specific place. As a recent graduate with a degree in, I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team and further develop my skills in. Thank you for your time and consideration, and I look forward to hearing back from you soon. Sincerely. Step 4. Review and revise your email. Once you've finished writing your email, it's important to review and revise it to ensure that it effectively communicates your message and is free of errors. Take time to read through your email carefully and make any necessary edits or changes. Example: after writing your email, read it aloud to ensure that it flows smoothly and makes sense. Check for spelling and grammar errors and make sure your tone is appropriate for your audience. By following these steps, you can use ChatGPT to help you write effective and engaging emails that effectively communicate your message. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon.